Hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we're gonna move forward in our to-do list app. So without wasting any time, I'm just gonna create the APIs and show you how we create those APIs, and after that we will do our stuff. So firstly I will create a application folder, to-do list, backend, backend. Okay, now to do list backend. I will open my code editor, remove it, I don't want it. And now firstly what I will do, I will just install npm I express, and then while it's installing I will just create index.js. Now I will do npm I minus t nodemon, and while it's installing, okay, and 1 second, I have not done this. 1 second guys, in I have missed one step, so let me just remove each and everything. Okay, firstly what we will do, npm init minus y, it will install this, and now I will install express npm I minus d nodemon. I'm not gonna explain each and everything what I am doing right now, because I hope that you know Node.js, but you can create this thing that you want in any of the language that you want. Nodemon index.js. Okay, so npm run start. I will come here, I will import const express is equal to require express, and const app is equal to express app dot use express dot json, and now app dot listen 3000 console dot log server running at 3000. Okay, now basically I will be doing app dot get slash get all request comma response. This will add get all elements. App app dot post add item request comma response. Okay, app dot put edit slash at id request comma response. App dot delete slash id, and now request comma response this. Okay, so we have created four things that we will be using. So firstly what we will do, we will add let list is equal to a array, and this will do response dot json and message success, and then data is equal to list. Okay, we will just send it. Now we have to add our element. So what we'll do, list dot push. Okay, inside this, firstly what we will do, we'll add a title. Title will be request dot body dot title. Description, ds for description, request dot body dot description, and then completed. In starting we are setting it as not completed. Okay, and then we will just send request dot json message success. Okay, and now we have to edit. So let's do one more thing. We have to add a id will be list dot length plus 1 array and this t. Okay, and now id is equal to request dot params dot id, and now we have to just search that id. So where will be the id? So for uh, let I is equal to 0, I less than list dot length, and I plus plus, if list at I dot id triple equal to id, then what we will do, we will dot list dot list at I is equal to request dot body. Okay, we will just set each and everything, and after that we will just do res dot json message success. Okay, and now we will just try to delete it. So we can just try to copy this same thing here. We will just paste it here, and the point we have find that our element, what we will do, we will just delete that. Okay, so we have found that index at the index, so we'll just do list dot slice. Okay, and now I comma 1. I think it's slice or splice. Oh, it was splice. Okay, so it will just return each other. Now we can see that our server is running at 3000. So we'll go to our postman. We will just give localhost 3000 get all. I think it is get all. Yeah, it's get all. So we'll just send. We got nothing. So firstly we will just go to the post localhost add item. I think it's add item. Yeah, it's add item. We'll go to body, draw text json, and here we will just go with the title description, sorry, title 1, title 1 and dec des description 1 add. We have added our element. We have not got any of the error. Okay, we will add 2 items. We got success, and we will just get it from here, item 1, item 2. Okay, and now we will just come here, and now we will just set this, uh, we will just copy it, we'll go to put, we will edit. Firstly we will just add a third element. Okay, and third will be like this. We will add it up, and we'll just come here, we will just go to third part, we will go body, raw text, copy, and we'll just paste everything here, and we will just set the completed as true. Firstly let us see get all. You can see that item everything is false, and now if I just send it, we got success. And if I rerun it, okay, so we have not got any of the this thing, so we have not got even any error. So what we have to do, if the id is equal to id that we have passed, okay, so let's just try to debug it. Okay, console.log id. Okay, and we just try to run it, console log, and we should get, okay, we got our answer here. And here this is put, and we are passing id. Let us just see, console.log request.body. I think this is the error. Okay, so it's not coming inside here. List.length. One second, let me just add it, add one item. We have get this, we will see. Okay, we have id and item as this. Okay, so we will just set it as 1, and now we will see. Okay, so we are not getting any item here. Okay, why? Console.log list.length will add up a item, get and see, we got a item, edit. Okay, so we got this thing. So I think it should be like this. We have to add a element, we have to get a element, and now we will just do this. And yes, now we got our element right. You can see that we got it true, so it means that it is running. And now what we will do, we'll just come here, we'll just go to delete, we just do this, delete /1 success. And if we come here and do, okay, so again we got our error. It was just because it will be like this. Save it. Okay, we have added our item, we got it. Okay, we edited it. we again got that right, true. Okay, now we will delete it, deleted it, and now we will just run it. Okay, so it's not deleting it. Why we are not getting it deleted? Delete. The spelling is right. Params.id and list one. Oh, okay. This is 2. If I just delete it. Okay, so the issue is that we have to add that ID also. Okay, so what we will do here, request.body.title, request.body.description, and request.body.completed. Okay, okay, and here ID is equal to I, and now this everything will work fine. We will add up a element, we will get that element, we add ID 1, we will edit that to true, we will get that element. Okay, so we got that element to 0 because we have to increase that by 1. Okay, now this is our last try, and now I hope everything is working fine. Added one item, got one item, edited one item, edited one item, deleted one item, deleted one item. Okay, so you can see that our API is now working fine, and it is the thing. So tomorrow what I will be doing, I will be just trying to integrate this API into our application. Okay, so I hope you have understand how we can create this API, and if you have any of the doubts regarding this, you can just comment me down and I will definitely get back to you on that. So that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day.